Capacitor. In the sector of electronics, two essential additives, capacitors, play critical roles in shaping the conduct of circuits and devices. These additives, although distinct of their features, work in tandem to reap diverse results. Understanding the capacitors, whilst to use every can greatly beautify your electronic layout competencies. In this article, we are able to embark on a journey to demystify capacitors, examine their capabilities, explore actual international programs, and manual you are in choosing the proper factor on your initiatives. What are capacitors? Capacitors are like tiny electronic storage tanks capable of storing and releasing electrical energy. They consist of two conductive plates separated by an insulating material known as a dielectric. When voltage is applied across the plates, they accumulate an electric charge, which can then be released when needed. How do capacitors work? Imagine a capacitor as a reservoir for electrons. When connected to a power source, one plate accumulates an excess of electrons, negative charge, while the other plate experiences a deficit of electrons, positive charge. This separation of charge creates an electric field across the dielectric, allowing the capacitor types and their applications. Capacitors come in various types, each tailored for specific applications. Electrolytic capacitors, for instance, excel in high-capacity and low-frequency situations, making them ideal for power supply smoothing. Ceramic capacitors, on the other hand, are suitable for high-frequency circuits due to their quick charge and discharge capabilities. Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel.